Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to record audio separately in OBS. Alright, the first step is to go to Settings. Click on Output. In Output mode, select Advanced, then go to Recording. Here in Audio Track, we will see several boxes. We need to check them depending on how many audio tracks we want to record. For example, if I want to record the microphone, the game audio, and Discord, we should select 3. Apply. Now right-click, Advanced Audio Properties. And here, we should check the boxes for the audio tracks. For example, in track 1, I will check the first box since I only want the desktop audio. In track 2, I will check the microphone since here I only want the microphone audio. Then, click on Close. And simply press record. When you finish recording, you'll see that there is only one file. Now for this, we'll go to a video editor. In my case, I'll use CapCut, but it also works with Premiere or any other editor. We bring the clip to the timeline, and here, as you can see, this message appears. We will right-click on the clip, Audio Track, and here we will have the tracks. If this guide was helpful to you, subscribe, leave a like, and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.